Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya and you're watching Corpbiz. Today we are going to discuss about the topic liquor license. First of all, we'll talk about what is a liquor license, type of liquor license, who can apply for a liquor license, what are the documents that is important, what is the registration process that you have to follow if you are going to obtain a liquor license. We'll also talk about the validity period of liquor license and the guidelines issued by the State Excise Department. So let's begin the video. Liquor license. Liquor license can be defined as a legal permission given by the State Excise Department to those who are willing to expand the boundaries of their business by the distribution of alcohol and alcoholic beverages and drinks at a particular place. Let's talk about the liquor license in more simpler words. For example, if you want to have business in liquor, you want to have a shop and you are dealing in the distribution of liquor, alcohol and alcoholic beverages, then for you it's mandatory to obtain a liquor license from Government of India. See, every state has its own rules and regulations that must be followed by you if you are obtaining a liquor license. Types of liquor license. So there are 4 types of liquor license. First is beer and wine liquor license. Second is restaurant liquor license. Third is tavern liquor license, and the 4th license is brew pub liquor license, who are making and selling beer and wine at their own. List of businesses who can apply for liquor license. Restaurant, bar, pub, club, hotel and other entities. These businesses can apply for the liquor license. AMBIT of liquor license. So, if you are dealing in the business of liquor, then there are certain terms and conditions that must be followed by you, which are as follows. Businesses engaged in selling alcohol, when and where alcohol can be sold. It also mentions the quantity of the liquor sold, container used to sell liquor, types of alcohol to be served, cost of alcohol to be served, to whom alcohol can be sold, information related to manufacturer and distribution of alcohol. So now it's the time to talk about the documents that is important and that must be submitted on time if you are going to have a liquor license. ID proof of the applicant, address proof of the applicant, address proof of the premise used, NOC from the fire department, NOC from Municipal Corporation. If an applicant is company, list of directors. If an applicant is a company, memorandum of association and article of association, copy of latest income tax return, photograph of the authorized person, an affidavit stating that the applicant has no criminal background, an affidavit stating that the authorized person is not levanter when it's come to the payment of dues. So now is the time to discuss about the registration procedure for applying for the liquor license. After covering the document part, it's time to discuss about the registration procedure for applying for liquor license. First of all, you have to visit the website of State Excise Department. An applicant has to file an application form with all crucial detail. You have to attach the document which needs to be submitted by you. After that, you also have to provide the information, means what type of liquor license you are going to opt, what type of liquor you are going to serve to the people. You also have to attach the NOC from the fire department and Municipal Corporation, a copy of income tax return, code compliance certificate, and also have to provide the background information like personal record, business and age. If everything goes well, means the information provided you is authentic and verified by the official, then the license is approved for you for the same. Validity for liquor license. Look, liquor license is valid for the period of 1 year. After 1 year, you have to apply for the renewal procedure. In the renewal procedure, if your license is expired or going to expire, then before 30 days of expiration period, you have to apply for the renewal. Revoking of liquor license. The State Excise Authority has the power to revoke your license, means to suspend your license in following cases: if you are selling the alcohol on dry day, if you are not following or violating the law, rules and regulations prescribed by the State Excise Department, or in case if you are distributing the alcoholic beverages to the minors. Guidelines issued by the State Excise Department. So for obtaining a liquor license, it's very important to get permission from the state excise department of the concerned state. And now we'll tell you about the guidelines issued by the state excise department in case of liquor. Purchase liquor just from the approved alcohol shop. Any individual who is not an income taxpayer can't get the liquor license. Alcohol purchased from any military canteen is implied distinctly from the military personnel. The traveler must know the liquor possession limit of the traveling state. Any individual beneath the age of 21 is not qualified to buy liquor. Do not purchase alcohol unlawfully. Try not to serve liquor in any unapproved premises. The license holder must show the cost of each brand of liquor served in the alcohol shop. The high demand of liquor in India is attracting people to indulge in the business of liquor license. In future, if you are also planning to have business and to obtain a liquor license, then you can connect easily to Corpbiz, because Corpbiz has a dedicated team which will provide you a legal guidance with full documentation process and seamless delivery. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.